to all the people of Wuhan, you made a great sacrifice to be in this very strict quarantine, and I'm very glad that it succeeded, but I'm sure that the difficulties were very great, and so we're thankful that you made these sacrifices. Being at ground zero of infectious disease is a incredible challenge, and you made changes. Work was stopped, your living was very different, and now the goal that all of that had, which is getting the cases down to very small numbers, and still being super open about, okay, where are those cases? That critical thing is something that people should feel good about, and I'm hope that we can get things even more back to normal in the months ahead. As we use testing data to see where do we still need to restrict things and where can we go partially back to normal. So thank you for your sacrifices.